A very good morning to everyone. I am Rachana of 2nd BSc Biochemistry. I am going to enlighten you all about how we are messing up the ozone layer and how to fix it again. So, no more wasting of time. Let's jump into the topic. Whenever we turn on AC, we only enjoy our comfort but not the environment's wellness. AC and fridge contains halogen derivatives like chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFCs. These are the main root cause of ozone layer depletion. Yeah, the picture depicts that the halogen derivatives accumulated in the stratosphere exposed to constant UV radiation from sunlight, which decomposes the compounds into chlorine monoxide, which is unstable. It again reacts with ozone to form even more chlorine, which leads to gradual thinning of ozone layer. It finally leads to ozone hole, and such holes are spotted in Antarctica. As I already said, CFCs are the most abundant and main root cause of ozone depletion. It is because the chlorine atom reacts with some other molecule and it does not react with ozone. The ozone depleting substances contain chlorine includes chlorofluorocarbon, carbon tetrachloride, hydrofluorocarbons, and methyl chloroform. Whereas ozone depleting substances contain bromine includes halogens, methyl bromide, and hydrofluorocarbons. These substances are very harmful to our ozone layer. To protect our ozone layer from these harmful substances, Montreal Protocol was proposed in 1987 to stop the use, production, and import of ozone depleting substances and minimize their concentration in the atmosphere. Let us see the harmful effects of ozone layer depletion on man and environment. Increased UV radiations on humans will result in serious health issues such as skin diseases, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging, and weak immune system. Direct exposure to UV radiations on animals lead to skin cancer and eye cancer. UV radiations also affect the growth of crops, flowering, and photosynthesis in plants. Effect of UV radiation on marine life, especially planktons, is greatly impacted. If planktons decrease in number due to ozone layer destruction, the marine food chain would be disrupted in many ways. So, let us all unite together to protect our ozone and our earth from harmful causes. Thank you. Save the environment.